Hello beautiful people, it's me Gifty, the gift to your hair. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be giving you guys a beautiful custom wig transformation. My client got a custom wig from gifty.org. With my custom wigs, you're able to come in and get a free installment. I will wash your hair for you, deep condition, blow it out, and make sure your hair is perfect. So for us to begin this install today, I'm starting off by washing my client's hair. I shampoo, condition the hair. Now I am just moisturizing the hair by adding in some leave-in conditioner. Once we're done adding in the leave-in conditioner, I go into braiding her hair straight back cornrows for a flat installment. A little about the install we're doing today. It is a custom wig from gifty.org. This is a 4 bundles raw Indian 26-inch lace frontal custom colored wig installment that we're going to be doing today. Whenever you purchase a custom wig from gifty.org, you're going to come in for a complimentary free installment, which covers washing of your natural hair, getting it cornrow like I'm doing right now, putting the wig on, and styling. So the price you see on my website is a total of the wig, me doing any customization, and plus you get a free install from me. So right now we're doing that process. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do thumbs it up because it's gonna be a nice one. This transformation is by far one of my favorite. After doing the cornrows, I'm going to grease my client's scalp because she's planning on wearing her install for about 2 weeks to a month's time, probably longer. Since it is a custom wig, she can take it off, put it back on, get it reinstalled. The wig can last you up to 2 years from gifty.org. I am going to grease her scalp to make sure it's not too dry under the install. Now to protect her edges, I'm using Eco Styling Gel just to lay her edges back to get it out the way for the install. So this is the wig. In the wig, it comes with the adjustables right here, and you have clips as well. This overall wig can get smaller. So if you use it, this is how far it can go. If you put it right here, it's going to be the smallest, medium, a little bit looser, depending on how tight or how comfortable you want it. So I'm going to put it on right here. That's how you put them. And then, since you want to wear it glueless and just pop it on, the band is going to do that for you. The band, you just pop it on, and it's going to form fit your head.
We can do glue today, though.
Yeah, I'm just showing you like you would put it on. So to put it on, you're going to take the band just like this and then flip it over your head. Okay. Yeah. So I want this to go behind your head.
No, actually, I think people grow up to like 25.
Okay, right here. Okay, and then put it right behind your ear. And you want this to lay here comfortably. Okay. And then take the whole cap and then put it on like a cap.
This is so much hair.
Looks like Barbie. Oh, I am loving it.
It's a lot of hair.
Are you excited, Barbie?
I am super excited. I chose this. I wanted a lot of hair.
As you heard, she is super excited for this wig. This wig has a lot of hair inside. Not gonna lie, I did 4 bundles of raw Indian hair. 4 bundles of raw Indian hair, y'all. This is 210 density wig. It's full. We're at the end of the installment now. I'm going in and adding beautiful bouncy body wave curls. Y'all, this wig is absolutely amazing. I did a nice chocolate rich brown overall color. Then I went in and added some caramel highlights to the hair. Absolutely beautiful. Our raw Indian hair is full from roots to end. It is bouncy and is able to take color flawlessly. Definitely check out this wig in the description box because this is one of our top sellers. Like, people love this wig and I see why. Now all I want you to do for me is please like the video. The goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by May, and we're gonna do it. Please do like this video and leave a comment if you will rock this beautiful chocolate caramelized custom wig from gifty.org. Something that is very important to note for this custom wig, the color shade is going to vary depending on natural lighting or studio lighting. So please be aware of that when you're purchasing this wig at gifty.org. Okay, bye beautiful people. I will see you next time. Please do like this video.